Habashim Kia ya ke jingkeng turput jong ke jela Assam lingba ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC sya uput usam jong ke West Giant Hills District jong ke jela Meghalaya u Deputy Commissioner ne ukli du jong ke District u AK Singh ula penlong ya ke jing jurep dalade ha ke arpui jerik uluber sya kithain kaput jong ke shnong mukro haba ka KAAC kalashna bi anya ki surok bat ya ke per Selasa. Ya Deputy Commissioner Lasendran Langda ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Kong Bibla u Additional Superintendent of Police u Ishan Gupta bat u Assistant Commissioner ba GH Pasa u Wahe Shnong Jong Kamukro u Ma Kitlang Maskun u MLA Barim Ma Henry Lamin nalor kiwe de. Las dang ya ke jinglet jurim nakithan Lapia bat Salang Jong ke Shnong Mukro habaka KAAC lingba u kontraktor jongka kala penjulor yaki penthor jongki laingut ki nong shong shnong kata ke kong thal lamin ke kong bial nartiang bat ke kong kobiang dekhar na kebenta banshna ya ke surok na kebenta ke jaka thung Selasa. Kini kitrai jaka ki beladon lang ha ke jinglet jurip kila ut kila nam ha Deputy Commissioner halor ke jinglet Dusmon jongka KAAC. Ha kene ke jinglet jurep syakite kithan layo I bakaladon ke jingpun julor Dusmon ke barat ba yaki lum bat ke jingpom pathari ki ding se bat thang patharu yaki ding. Hadian kene kino yalam jong ke shnong mukro kilayalam yau AK Singh syaka jaka mutha siang kwai ke balong ke kaput jong ke shnong mukro bat ke blok 1 ne West Karbi Anglong District Assam. Ki noyalam jong ke shnong mukro ki pinken mau yau AK Singh halor ke jingdawa jong ki ban bu no ya ka border outpost jong ki pulit Meghalaya ha mutha siang kwai na ke benta ke bahaka miat jong ki nong shong shnong. Na ke liang u AK Singh ula kular ba on saya keren bat u Deputy Commissioner jong ke West Karbi Anglong District WKAD ba ki deiban pensangi no mardor ki jingte bi an hakithain kaput jong ke mukro.
Kani dilek enam tiga kani. Orang di orang ne pesa ke dilek kenang terus kani. Ada kerpat. Di kerpat.
Kenang ida semua yuki sar.
Yang hang ini. To make that size. Normally the water course lek kenang bahagi je ini. Pada kerpat di dalam lagi je.
Em ngadi lek hak em.
She has been gone point also.
Ini kita ini. Pam kata halor ini nang tan ini. Ini
kita kadang
other side.
ini
try di kelam dia.
She request them to meet me on that side. Tanya consider because she request them to meet on that side and then from the side.
Take care of it.
Hai kami tan sini ko mere ko je tibe sar.
idat tang khat I te wadini khat I de mana klami ki te kraw ida sulai dai.
Wa kam tu mana khang ni ne ro suloi ra bona.
Sulai dai. Ikraw bai ko am to na.
Tell to him. On your video they don't have to stop.
Hope to
That's fine. I mean, this is the one thing here say back to
suloi ra.
I mean, there's no point. I just saw the now what solution. That's it.
No.
You'll tie that.
Kai semua video bhai ka kadang.
Okay.
Tahu buru. Hoi kai em khap ne lini la lagi. Kiliang.
Goes from there.
That side.
From that side.
Not
If that can be the same system for the water to go, then that will be much better rather than making it over here and the water stagnant. Just flow the natural flow of the water. That is the only requirement.
yes. 100%.
It can be done.
It can be done, no? Okay.
So it's basically it's doable.
Mengusahakan dapat lang to, totoo kan cepai ro kadon kan normal.
Kadang. Tapi kan orang teh.
Drainage that's
Usually the water runs through that wall. No? After the construction of
It
the
has stopped.
and then the old road was that one. So this was a new construction. And then they left that old one, and then down there also they have just dug that home pipe and so on, and then just left it like that. And they did not make use of that home pipe also, and then there also the blockage of water was, and then the owner of the field has to make it by themselves.
Now my request to you is kindly let them not interfere the laborers who will make that, because we want to safeguard to protect my laborers.
Let's talk this on Monday out, right?
Okay.
And we'll try to
Let
sort it
us
out.
see the second one.
We'll second one.
I have. Now we'll have an indoor discussion, whatever you have seen.
We'll do one thing. We'll be having discussions over the phone, right? Whatever has been we already done and discussed.
Yeah.
Right. Then we'll be taking leave now.
Yeah.
We'll be straightening
We'll
right
take
away.
leave.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Professor. Thank you, madam.
So, all the best.
Thank you.
So we'll do something, whatever we can do from our side.
Yes.
What we can do from our side.
We from outside, we just putting under your.